Hi, welcome to Foodie. Recently I posted a video that had a chicken with walnut sauce, and when I was scooping out that the heavy cream with the walnuts to mix in with the chicken sauce, I thought, wow, this would be really good if I'd add a little bit of sugar in there and have it as like a whipped topping for coffee. So that's what I'm going to try to make today. It's going to be really quick and easy. Just take you a couple minutes. So I'm starting with a 1/4 cup of whatever your favorite chopped nuts are. I'm using pecans today because I happen to buy some that are already pretty finely chopped. If you're buying cashews or walnuts, you want to put them in a manual chopper and get them pretty fine, because you don't want that grainy feeling in your whipped cream. So I'm going to pour these into a blender, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend these up a little bit more and see if I can get it a little bit finer chopped. Just pulse it maybe 3 times. Yeah, so that's pretty fine. Yeah, that's good. See if you can see that. Okay, so let me put this down here so you can see it better. So I have my 1/4 cup chopped nuts. I'm going to add, this is that's a little bit different from the chicken sauce, of course. I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You could probably use regular sugar. I'm just, again, thinking if it gets grainy, it won't taste quite as good. So this should dissolve really good into the heavy cream. And I've got about 1.25 cups of heavy cream. And I think just for the heck of it, I'm going to mix this up a little bit. So that it drops down on my blender good. It already tastes pretty good. Okay, so let's put it on a blender. We're going to let this go for maybe 20 seconds. And we'll test it. We'll see what it looks like. And you can almost tell when it turns from a liquid to a whipped cream. The sound of the blender sounds a little bit different. There's a little bit different feeling to it. So it starts like speeding up in a more high-pitched sound. Let's see what we got. That's pretty good. So over here I've got my sort of a cappuccino cup of hot coffee. I'm going to just put a nice big dollop in there. We can sprinkle a little bit of chocolate sprinkles on top. Ooh, doesn't that look good? Of course, the best part's the taste. I'm going to taste just some of the whipped cream first. That's good. That's just the amount of sugar for me. What's nice about this is you can put as much sugar in it that you want. If you don't want it too sugary or too much carbs, or if you're diabetic, just put a little bit less sugar in there. Also, I can taste some of the walnut, but it would probably also be good, and I do have some. You could put some almond extract in there or walnut extract to make it a little bit more nutty flavor. But yeah, I really like this. This is really good. And this is something if you have a little bit leftover whipping cream from a recipe. Yeah, really good. So there you have it, something to do with your leftovers. So if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Foodie right over there. Thank you.